Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing Sensational What Lace in the style Keena in the color Balayage Ash Blonde. This is how the unit looks straight out of the package. The only thing that I did off camera was apply my lace tint to the lace. First thing I'm doing is cutting the air tabs off on both sides of the lace so that the wig can properly lay on my head. Now I'm cutting the lace into 3 sections and working on each section separately, starting with that middle section. I applied a layer of the Ebin Black spray to lay this lace down. When it comes to laying the lace down, you want to make sure that the hairline is laid directly on top of where you applied the adhesive spray. You want to do those same exact steps to the other 2 sections of the lace. Then I went in with an elastic band and a blow dryer on the warmest heat setting to melt this lace down. And I do this step for about 3 to 5 minutes. When it comes to cutting the lace, I like to cut in sections, and I also like to cut in a zigzag motion for a more realistic lace look. I went back in with the spray and applied it directly to the lace to lay down any lifting areas that did not fully glue down the first time. I went in with the Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the color level 15, and I used the darkest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. To get a nice and flat foundation, I went in with a blow dryer on the hottest heat setting and a firm brush. Usually when I do this step, I don't have to go in with a wax stick. And honestly, I stopped using wax sticks for my synthetic wigs a while ago because I honestly don't feel like you need it for certain units. To me, it just weighs the hair down even more. Then I went in with a hot comb on the lowest heat setting to flatten down this hair. I did go in and pull out some baby hairs for this unit. I went in with my thin flat iron to curl the baby hairs, and this gives the baby hairs more of a fluffy, natural type of look. To style my baby hairs, I went in with the Got To Be gel and the black tube. Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to enhance my parting space. When it comes to brushing synthetic wigs, you want to make sure you brush starting from the bottom and then working your way up to the top in order to prevent tangles and knots. I typically use a vent brush because it's less frizz, it gives the hair more volume, and it's very easy to brush the curls out this way. At this point, I'm just trying to figure out how the curls are supposed to fall in my face. That is the only thing I did not like about this unit. I feel like the curls weren't falling the right way. But here we have the final look for Sensational Keena. This is actually one style. I did do an updo with this unit, but this is how the unit looks straight down in its natural form, middle part, and I think it really looks cute. I like the color of this unit, and I love the dark root going into blonde. I really like the color of this unit. I love the dark root, but I'm just not the biggest fan of the curls and how it's layered. This is the second style, which is an updo. I believe that the updo looks so much better. It just looks more put together this way, in my opinion, and I was really satisfied with this outcome. I would love to know which style y'all like better, so comment down below. That concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and interact, and stay tuned for my next video.